Is your 2019 Kia Optima key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 battery that lasts 2 to 5 years. Open the fob carefully with a small flathead screwdriver. Replace the battery and test the buttons. If that doesn't work, the fob may need reprogramming to sync its unique ID with the car's body control module. Signal interference, especially in urban areas near airports or cell towers, can also cause problems. Dealership reprogramming costs $50 to $100. If those steps fail, the antenna itself may be faulty and need replacement. If a new battery didn't solve the issue, reprogramming is the next step. Some owners have had success with DIY reprogramming using an OBD2 adapter. The OBD2 adapter connects to your car's diagnostic port and costs around $15. The reprogramming process involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the key fob. For antenna issues, inspect the antenna system located in the rear window or mirror. Look for damage or corrosion that could interfere with the key fob signal. Use an RF analyzer app to test the key fob signal strength. The app shows frequencies and signal levels. You want readings above 70 dBm for good performance. If the antenna is damaged, replacement typically costs around $200. If these solutions don't resolve the issue, consult a Kia dealership for professional assistance.